Greetings everyone! In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can remove all your pending and spam comments from your WordPress dashboard. So basically, we will remove all these comments. Let's get started. For more WordPress content, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Now, we are already logged in to our WordPress dashboard. As you can see, there are more than 6,000 comments. Let me click on it. And if I click here to select all, this screen has frozen many times, so I cannot do that. So there are 6,702 pending comments and 41 spam comments. So let's remove them all. And we will not use any plugins. For that, go to Appearance and Theme File Editor. Go to Theme Functions. Scroll down, and we will be adding some codes here. So here is the code we are going to use. This will delete all the pending comments and spam comments. You should change this number as per the comments you want to delete. We have around 6,700 comments to delete, so I will simply change this to 7,000. Now copy this code and paste it here and update file. This might take some time. So it is updated. Let me open the dashboard so you can see all the comments are gone. So it is all empty with no comments. So from this to this. By the way, you can also delete the code we added earlier. We hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.